Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CHUWI Hipad Max, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account added to the device, that's okay. If not, you will have to either log in or sign in, so create the account in order to be able to use the Play Store. Then we should tap on this circle, which is our account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available to check which apps we can update. As you can see, in my case, I've got only 2. So basically, if we want to update all of them, you have to simply mark all. But you can, for example, update only one of those apps or 3 of them, whatever. So just make sure that they are marked and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed, and the apps will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn off the Play Store and do whatever you want, and simply wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.